This is our family secret, the ice cream recipe. I must go to the market today. Do not let anyone touch this book.
We need a big plan.
So what is the plan, boss?
We must steal the secret recipe from Master Victor's academy. Oh no! He took the real one!
Welcome to Planet Ninja Academy. Today, I will teach you a great ninja skill. Hiding in the bamboo! Look at me! This is the legendary ninja smoke bomb, called Enkudama. When you throw it on the ground, boof! A big cloud of smoke will cover everything.
Wow!
You will have enough time to escape quickly without anyone seeing where you go.
Master, is it dangerous? Will the smoke ruin my pink suit? Silly, Anna. It's for hiding, not for fashion.
Master, why does it look like a big black apple? Can I eat?
Pay close attention. Now watch me demonstrate. I will only show this once. Ah! My face! The bees! The bees are back! Ah!
Lesson number 2. Never jump blindly into a bush. Oh no! His cool hair is completely ruined!
Look, girls. This is our family secret, the ice cream recipe. I must go to the market today. Do not let anyone touch this book. Especially the two silly thieves in town.
Don't worry, Master. Sophia, Anna, I will protect it together.
I am the team leader. Anna can just sweep the floor.
In your dreams, Sophia, I am much faster with a sword than you. We are all leaders, right?
Just please don't break my house while I am away.
Don't worry, Master. We'll keep the house very safe.
I will clean the mirror and drink green tea peacefully.
And I will stay at the gate with my wooden sword. No thieves can enter.
Good. Keep the doors locked. I will bring back some sweet apples for you.
Yay, sweet apples! Bye-bye, Master.
Look at our clothes, Buck. They are full of holes. Our Shadow Clan is too poor.
I know, boss. My stomach is making noise. Can we just save our money?
No way! Saving money will take 100 years. We need a big plan.
So what is the plan, boss?
We must steal the secret recipe from Master Victor's academy. With that book, we can make delicious ice cream and sell it for a lot of money.
Ice cream? Brilliant, boss! We will be super rich!
Oh no, where are my glasses? Everything is so blurry.
Is this my wooden sword? Found it! Why is my wooden sword wearing a bright pink sock?
I am not a sword! Let go of my leg!
Oh, look at you, Anna. You are hugging a thief's leg and calling it a sword. How ridiculous! Sophia, don't tease her. Anna, that's not a sword, that's a bad guy. Listen up, little girls. We are the famous Pink Sock Gang. We are the scariest ninjas in this village.
Yeah.
Everyone in this village is scared of our pink socks. Scary? Ha! Two silly thieves with ugly pink socks are not scary at all. My eyes are sharp now. You two cannot trick us anymore. Oh dear, please don't fight. We are not going home without the secret ice cream recipe.
Yeah, give us the recipe, or we will eat all your snacks.
Eat our snacks? You can't even beat Anna with her glasses on. That's right. Who wants to get hit by my wooden sword first? Listen, Lily, this big red thief is strong, but he is super silly. Let me trick him. Okay, what should we do? Hey, thief! Look, the secret recipe book is right over there.
Aha! The secret recipe! It's mine!
A banana peel? You tricky little girl. I am gonna catch you. Okay, thief. If you want the real book, choose one.
What are these black marks? I can't read words.
Go on, pick the right one. Haha, this one is the thickest. It must be the ice cream recipe. Wait, Where are the pictures of strawberry ice cream? Where are the ice cream scoops?
Silly thief. That's a math book. It will only give you a headache.
What? You lied to me! I am becoming angry now! I don't need to read, I got the real book now. Ha 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 ha! Oh no, he took the real one! Boss, I got the secret recipe. Let me run!
Great job, Buck. Let's get rich.
Well, well, well. What is happening in my academy?
Master Victor?
You broke into my house just to steal an ice cream recipe?
We are so sorry, Master Victor. Our Shadow Clan is too poor. Look at our clothes. They are full of holes. We just wanted to make ice cream to sell for money. We don't even have money to buy food.
Oh no. That's so sad.
So they are not bad guys.
They are just hungry.
Stealing is wrong, boys. But if you want to make money, you don't need to steal.
What do you mean, Master?
I am opening a new Planet ice cream shop in town. I need 2 strong workers. I will hire both of you and pay you a very good salary.
Look at me, boss. Coconut grating power. Slow down, Buck. Be careful with your hands. We need a lot of white coconut shreds for the ice cream.
Look at these sweet red strawberries. I am making delicious strawberry syrup. Oops, a strawberry splash on my nose. Watch this.
Wooden sword fruit attack. Perfect fruit slices ready for the ice cream. Welcome to Ninja Scoops. Fresh, sweet, and creamy coconut ice cream. Line up, everyone.
Look at this giant rainbow ice cream cone. Strawberry, coconut, and matcha all in one. Our coconut ice cream is the best in Edo. So many people are buying our ice cream. Our shop is super famous today. I love it.